try to cover our Tampines hub today. There is a community center which just behind me. So we have a shopping mall and other facilities in this hub actually, our Tampines hub. Yeah, hello guys. So today we'll try to cover the Tampines hub. Okay, it is basically located near the Tampines MRT. Okay, so if you can see, it is just behind me is the MRT actually. Okay, MRT basically we call it as a station, train station. Okay, so we have a shopping centers and other facilities are there, so we'll try to cover up. Okay, so here we are going to enter the mall. Okay, since it is a COVID time, they have a check over here. You have to log in with your application for tracking. So we'll just try to see. Thank you. I think it's Diwali time, so we have a Diwali festival tomorrow. So maybe the decoration is there for the Diwali purpose. Okay, just to brief you, right, on the ground floor, I think this earlier there was an old MRT station over here, so they have used the same place to construct this hub actually. Okay. So on the ground floor we have some eatery shops actually, some outlets are there. Okay. There is a food court at the end. I will cover that. And on the top there is a Active SG, which is like government sponsored swimming pool, and the gym is there, and badminton court and other facilities are there. We'll try to see. And there is a ground floor also. I think underground there is a Fair Price shopping mall, grocery shopping. We'll cover that slowly. I think it's a 4-story or 5-story building. We'll see. I think all this is for the Diwali decoration. So we have here an open theater actually. That is a good thing in this mall. Okay. So I think till midnight we'll have something going on. We will have this some movie or something going on over here always. also will keep on changing based on the occasion. They will change the theme and lighting.
Once again, thank you for staying with us. My name is Shani and look with me.
So there is a food court over here. I will just try to go inside and show you guys the food court. Okay, so food court basically will have a mix over here of Indian and Chinese food courts. Okay, the shops are there for the Indian food and Chinese shops. Okay, at the end I believe there is 3 Indian shops are there. There I will go usually. Okay, so so here we have 3 Indian shops at the end. Okay, so ideally I will go there for dining purpose. As of now I am not feeling hungry, so I won't go there. Okay, I'm just showing you outside. Okay. So I'll try to go up and show you from the top, and underground there is a Fair Price shopping mall. So we'll see in the shopping mall also what kind of groceries we buy from the shopping mall. See, the theater system, I like it. Most of the time even I will come here to spend some time. All the shops you can see this side. And some go upstairs. I think there is a 3 or 4 floors, I think. So going up mainly to show you the Active SG. They have a government sponsored gym and the swimming pool. It's very subsidized. It's I think $2 per entry or something, which is really nice. So it's a very nice view. So it's not only just a shopping mall, basically this hub. So they have a community center sort of thing also, feeling you'll get it, where people get here to spend some time. Okay, on the left hand side, I think here we in this floor, right? We have a good lane for the jogging also that has been placed. So it's like a in-house jogging track is also there, which is really good. So if you can see, right, there's a this is really unique actually. If it is raining and people are still curious to do some jogging, right, they will come here. I haven't tried that because I like to, even I do jogging, but I do it in the open space. Okay, but we have a your in-house track also. Okay, where the people normally come to do the jogging. I'm not sure the open timings, but easily I think till midnight it should be open. So here we have an active AG gym and swimming pool. Okay, so we are not allowed to go inside and do the filming. Okay, so I'm just trying to film from outside. So they have it's a government sponsored, so it's very subsidized rate. Okay, so if you can see, I will try to show you from outside. It's just like some another swimming pools. There are 3 to 4 pools based on the size, depth actually. There are different depth. I think this one is for the kids for learning. Okay. So we have a gym backside. Similarly. Okay, we'll go down and cover the fair price shopping mall actually. It's a grocery store. You can see I think here we also have a badminton court. I think this is on this floor. Let me just quickly check, or maybe it was up. Since it is a COVID time, I think there should be some restrictions. I think this is a beautiful view actually. The vlogging is not very easy. Actually, most of the time, if a lot of time is wasted, so I really hats off for the guys who are doing professional vlogging, right? Because you need to waste a lot of your time to do the coverage. Many times you come out and the things does not go as planned actually. Okay, and especially the people who are doing the food vlogging, they end up eating a lot of things. Okay, and they gain weight. So it's not easy actually to do vlogging. Okay, so. there is a food court over here, as I mentioned, right? The hawker center, that's what we mentioned. Okay, so normally the hawker centers will have different people, different food courts actually. The hawker centers will have different vendors. Okay, there will be Indian food, Chinese, and everything mixed up. Malay shops will be there. So downstairs we have a supermarket, fair price. I'm not sure whether they will allow to do the filming or not. Let's see, we'll try. There is a safe entry we have to do because of the COVID. Yeah, thank you. Okay, we'll just try to cover up the supermarket. Let's see. Okay, let's go inside and see. I think this is the fair price, if you name, see the name. And we have a, I think this is the one of the biggest fair price around. Okay. Again here, for every shop there will be a safe entry. Thank you. A lot of cheese counter is there. Here the only thing I like is we get the cut fruits. Okay, this I like a lot. Okay, this is the best thing in Singapore. I think we get the cut fruits everywhere. So there will be price tag like that. This is a kiwi and it costs around $3.5. So I think I will try to cover up first, do the vlogging, and later on I will see what I can buy. Okay. So vegetable counter, and in every fair price and every more big supermarkets, right, you will have the meat section also. Okay, so this is all the meat section. Okay, we'll have chicken, if it is halal chicken, and meat and pork and everything will get in. Okay. This fish center is not there in all the supermarkets, but this is one of the big supermarkets that we have a fish center as well, fish counter also. So I see a lot of what kind of breads we have here actually. Here there is a very big market for Milo. I'm not sure why, but I think they have some history, like, you know, like in India we have a Bonvita, but here in Singapore we have a very big market for Milo. Yeah, the juice cans will be there, the milk cans will be there. That's a good thing actually. We have a juice and milk cans over here. Okay. People leave this open every time. I don't know. It's a loss for they spoil the goods. It's not good. The this is one of the biggest supermarket actually for the fair price especially. So in the juice, when you talk about juice, right? In Singapore, we drink a lot of coconut water also because we have a fresh coconut water coming up from Thailand and other countries. Okay. Since I haven't bought anything, I will just walk out because while vlogging, I don't like to buy anything. Yeah. Okay, I will just walk around and I will just wind up and just show you the shops around here. So in the Guardian we get some basics medications. Okay, and cosmetics items actually. Here we have a good market for the Subway also actually. Even I prefer Subway a lot actually because they have honey oats and other options right for the bread, so that is really good actually. Yes, I will wind up. Thank you. Okay guys, so that's the coverage we did for our Tampines hub. So ideally I have to give my own presentation also for the copyright purpose, otherwise on the YouTube people normally keeps on posting each other's video, so this remains as your tag. Okay, so if you can see behind, you can maybe see the Tower Tampines hub there. Okay, thanks guys.